What's up guys, Cheap Beast aka Noah back today bringing another video. This time we're doing my Grailed steals for July. I only really have one thing from Grailed, and then I have a few other pickups that I just kind of want to show off just because I don't really want to have a video of just one shirt. There's a few things from different brands, and then one sneaker that I just picked up this month because I really haven't picked up too much this month, haven't picked up too much recently. So the Grailed videos have been kind of off, but with that being said, let's just get right into the video. All right, to start off everything, we're going to probably just go with the sneakers just because they're not really Grailed steel, and I did just pick them up during the month. This is the alternate Grape Jordan 5. I picked it up beginning of the month, I think. Only a sneaker I've picked up really recently, anything like dead stock or new. I had a used pair of Sakai's that I got, I think, in June. So this is the only thing I got in July. I've been just taking L's constantly, which is kind of annoying, but it's how it works. And this is a pretty decent pickup. I've kept them. I didn't return them. If you guys saw that video, didn't really return them, but happy about them. And I will wear them when it's not 80, 90 degrees outside because I'm just warm constantly and I can't wear high tops, especially ones that are like have felt inside and just are heavy shoes. So only sneaker that I picked up this month, but I like them and I plan on wearing them a decent amount when I can. So yeah, only sneaker and not from Grailed, just from Nike, just pickup of the month basically. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is probably actually thing from Grailed, just because it is a shirt and it's nothing special, it's nothing crazy really, but I do like it. I think I bought it for like 15 bucks or something like that, like nothing ridiculous. It's this acid wash San Francisco Motor Club t-shirt. Don't really know anything about San Francisco Motorcycle Club. I thought the design just looked kind of cool, and the acid wash, I really like it. It's a San Francisco Motorcycle Club 101 on the front. I just like the acid wash. That's kind of been something I've been liking recently, and I think it looks cool. Plus it was like 15 bucks, which isn't bad, and anytime you can get like anything that's like decent, I feel like for not too much. I should probably just learn how to acid wash some of my own stuff, but I'm lazy and I don't feel like bleaching everything. So that's the only thing I picked up from Grailed, and I have two other pickups that I just kind of want to show off because I think they're kind of cool. One's from a brand I really like, other one I just kind of picked up. So we'll go over these in just a second. Okay, we're gonna start off with the mugs. There's these three mugs. If you guys can't tell, they have like this off-white zip tie on them. They say coffee on the front. I don't even drink coffee. I thought the mugs were cool. My girlfriend does drink coffee, so she'll be using them. They're from Tailored Coffee in Oregon. I think they're just kind of like a small thing. They got them off Instagram. I thought they looked cool. Plus, I think they would just look cool in like the background or something of a video, just because they do just say coffee. It looks like an off-white thing. There's the black one, and then there's this orange one. The orange one I think is probably my favorite. I don't know. I think it just looks cool, and it's like the most different. But if you guys want to check them out, I will link them in the description. Not sponsored. I wish, because I wish I could have gotten them free, because that would have been kind of sick. But I think they look kind of cool. Haven't used them yet just because I don't know. I don't know what to do about the zip tie. I feel like I probably should like take it off, but I feel like that ruins the whole point of it being like an off-white inspired mug. But if they were real off-white mugs, things would be like 150 bucks for no reason. So I think they look kind of cool. And again, they're from Tailored Coffee. But I found them on Instagram, and I think they look pretty cool, and they fit into the whole hype beast kind of thing. So that's kind of why I got them. All right, the last thing is my favorite thing. There's actually one more thing that comes with this, but it hasn't come yet. As far as I know, it could be in my mailbox right now, but I haven't gone and checked. It's this 100 Thieves hoodie. If you guys know what 100 Thieves is, it's a apparel / like gaming brand that was started by Nade Shot, Call of Duty Pro at one point, and he started his own brand, 100 Thieves. They have League of Legends team, CSGO. Been following them for a while. Haven't picked up any of their apparel. Supposedly it's like pretty good quality. And after buying a pair or buying something from them, it's really good quality. They do like limited drops every once in a while. This is from the No Camping collection. It's just 100 Thieves on the front. Let me just show you guys. It's got 100 Thieves on the front. I mean, it's super good quality, super heavy. Like I feel like I need to actually be wearing this when it's like winter. And then it's got this No Camping, or yeah, just this camping scene, No Camping, 100 Thieves on the back. I think it just looks kind of cool. I really wanted something from their apparel, and I just never really wanted to spend a decent amount of money on like a hoodie or something, but it was only like 90 bucks. The shirt that I have coming in, I think, was 30 or 35. So it wasn't crazy either. Like I've spent more on some like Chinatown market stuff, And I do like 100 Thieves. I'm a big gamer, and I've been following like Nate Shot for a really long time. So I thought it was good to finally get something. Ooh. And I mean, I like their apparel. I think this is one of the better collections that they've had, and I really just wanted the hoodie. There's a white one too, or a cream one. I think that one sold a little faster, but this 100 Thieves stuff goes really fast. You can find it on StockX because they're partnered with StockX. That's one of their investors there, big investor with Dan Gilbert, who I think also invests in StockX. So that's kind of why I got it, and I think it just looks very good. Plus, if I wanted to sell it, it's like 150 or like $250 for some reason. I got it for under 100, so pretty good. And just black hoodie, which I think looks really good. So I'm really happy about this one. Probably my favorite pickup of the month so far. So that was everything that I picked up this month. Nothing too crazy. The mugs were just kind of random that I found on Instagram. Only sneakers I got were the Jordan 5 alternate grapes. The 100 Thieves hoodie I think is really sick. And the only thing really from Grailed is this one acid wash San Francisco Motorcycle Club shirt. I think it looks pretty cool. I haven't really worn it too much yet, just because I haven't been doing anything, and I've just kind of been sitting around the house working. So nothing crazy. Hopefully next month I will have a little bit more on Grailed. We'll see. I put an offer in something just now, so hopefully that'll come in, but if it doesn't, then whatever. But I'll see what else I can get, because there should be some more changes coming in August and September. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me, I guess, something you might have picked up on Grailed if you picked up anything. And other than that, again, guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.